Hello, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. We're going to practice our shapes again today. So to start out, we're going to be comparing shapes, and we're going to be comparing the number of sides that our shapes have. So remember, when we're comparing, we're talking about how they are the same and how they are different. So let's first look at the two blue shapes, boys and girls. We have a square and a triangle. So, boys and girls, how many sides does the square have? Our square has 4 sides. How many sides does the triangle have? The triangle has 3 sides. So now let's compare the number of sides. Can you tell someone near you, at home or at school, which shape has a greater number of sides? Remember, greater means more. Did you say the square has a greater number of sides? Yes, you're right. The square has a greater number of sides because 4 is greater than 3. Let's look now at the yellow shapes. Boys and girls, what is this shape that my pen is circling around? It's a hexagon, and a hexagon has 6 sides. Now, boys and girls, what is this shape that my pen is circling around? It's a square, and remember, a square has 4 sides. So tell someone near you, what shape has a greater number of sides? The hexagon has a greater number of sides because 6 is greater than 4. All right. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at the shapes that we see on this page. I'm going to point to each shape with my pen, and I want you to say the name of that shape. Are you ready? What is this shape? That's right, it's a cone. This is a solid shape called a cone. How about this shape, boys and girls? You're right, this is a square. It's a flat shape called a square. What about this blue shape? It's flat. It is a circle. What is the red shape? It is a hexagon. It has 6 sides. How about this orange shape? It's a rectangle. It's flat and it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. How about this yellow shape right here? That is a cylinder. It's a solid shape and it kind of looks like a soda can. It's a cylinder. What about this orange shape on the bottom? Ooh, remember, it looks like a ball. It's a solid shape called a sphere. And what about this yellow shape right here? That is a flat shape called a triangle. And this shape in the corner is a solid shape called a cube. All right, so boys and girls, you're going to need your crayon for this page. And I have all of these shapes in a little bag. And I'm going to take one of these shapes out, and I'm just going to describe the shape for you. As I'm describing the shape, I want you to think about what shape I'm describing, and I want you to put a ring or a circle around the shape that you think I'm talking about. Are you ready? Okay. This shape is a flat shape. So it's a flat shape, boys and girls, and it has 4 sides that are all the same size. A flat shape with 4 sides that are all the same. What shape am I talking about? Put a ring around that shape, boys and girls. I'm talking about the square. The square is a flat shape with 4 sides that are all the same. All right, are you ready for the next one? This shape is a solid shape. It's a solid shape that looks like a ball. Put a ring around the solid shape that looks like a ball. Did you put a ring around the sphere? Nice job. All right, let's do 2 more. This shape looks like a soda can, and it's another solid shape. Put a ring around the shape that looks like a soda can and is a solid shape. Did you put a ring around the cylinder? Nice job. All right, last one. This shape is flat and it has 3 sides. It's flat and has 3 sides. Did you put a ring around the triangle? Nice work. All right, so for the back side of your workbook page today, we're going to be doing some coloring. We have a picture of a train, and on our train, we have all of the different flat shapes that we have been talking about. Boys and girls, if you look over here, this tells us what color we need to color each of the flat shapes. So the triangle, if you ever see a triangle on the train, you're going to color it purple. Whenever you see a square on the train, you're going to color it green. Whenever you see a rectangle on the train, you're going to color it red. Whenever you see a circle on the train, you're going to color it blue. And whenever you see a hexagon on the train, you're going to color it yellow. So make sure you have all your crayons and you have all the colors that you need to color your train. So look closely and pay attention so that you know what color to make each part of your train. So go ahead and pause the video and you may go ahead and color your train. Ooh, did you get a chance to color your train? All right, I'm gonna look for the purple triangles. I'm gonna color them purple. So anything that has 3 sides. Ooh, I found one right here. I found one right here. So I'm looking for the triangles first. All right, now I'm gonna look for the squares and I'm gonna make them green. Ooh, I see a square up here. And I see a square down here. Oops. I don't think I see any other squares in the picture. Ooh, now I'm gonna look for the rectangles. Remember, rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So look at this skinny part up here. This is a very skinny rectangle at the top. So I'm gonna shade it in red. I also see a little rectangle right here. And over here, a big rectangle that I'm gonna make red. And then here's another rectangle down here at the bottom. All right, now I'm gonna look for the circles and I'm gonna color them blue. So I'm gonna color these wheels blue, oops, because they're circles. It's a little tricky for Ms. Zagar to color on the computer, but I'm sure you did an amazing coloring job with your crayons. Ooh, here's some little wheels that I'm gonna color blue because they're circles. Oops. And then up here, it looks like this is smoke coming out of the train. So I'm gonna color these little circles up here blue. And then yellow, I see one hexagon up here. So I'm going to make it yellow. All right. Nice job coloring your train. Okay. All right. So for our exit ticket today, I'm going to describe one of the shapes on this page, and I want you to be thinking about which shape I am describing. All right. So listen carefully. This shape is a solid shape, and it looks like a box. So I'm thinking about a solid shape that looks like a box. Which shape am I describing? Ooh, did you say the cube, boys and girls? You're right. This is a solid shape that looks like a box. Nice work today, boys and girls. Have a great day, rest of your day. Bye.